Engaging in the same behaviors repeatedly, especially when they no longer bring real enjoyment, can signal a shift toward addiction. In today's world, pornography is very easy to access, and many people, especially young men, find themselves caught in a cycle of compulsive watching. This can hijack the brain's reward system. Each time someone views pornography, the brain releases dopamine and testosterone, causing a momentary pleasure without real human connection. This compulsive behavior can create significant problems. For women, studies show that masturbation can enhance self-esteem and body awareness. However, for many men, excessive masturbation related to pornography often leads to negative emotions, such as feeling depressed or losing motivation to connect with others in real life. Dopamine is critical in these scenarios. It drives motivation and affects how we perceive and behave. When people continually seek thrilling experiences, like watching explicit content, they may unintentionally change how their brains work. This change reduces their ability to find pleasure in everyday activities. Thus, a harmful cycle forms. While dopamine can give a feeling of reward, relying heavily on quick pleasures can result in a dopamine deficit, making people crave more intense experiences. To break this cycle, it's essential to understand two key concepts: long-term potentiation and long-term depression. Long-term potentiation happens when brain cells are activated often, strengthening their connections. In contrast, long-term depression occurs when there is a lack of engagement, weakening those connections. To change bad habits, one must recognize moments of engagement before acting and take a pause to reconsider. Techniques like keeping track of behavior or rewarding positive actions can encourage healthier choices. Moreover, pornography significantly impacts emotional and sexual health. As people rely more on screens for excitement, they may struggle to build genuine connections, leading to fewer meaningful relationships and intimacy. The physical effects of constant exposure to pornography can reduce natural arousal and change preferences, making real-life interactions harder. Recovering from these compulsive behaviors involves resetting one's habits. Many experts recommend a 30-day detox from high-stimulation activities to allow the brain to reset. This helps signal that real enjoyment and motivation can be discovered again. The initial detox can be uncomfortable, with strong cravings and emotional shifts. However, as time goes on, individuals may begin to enjoy simple activities once again. Finding a balance between health, hormones, and happiness requires careful attention to lifestyle. Prioritizing good nutrition, regular exercise, and nurturing real social connections can help counteract the lure of artificial stimuli. Understanding the relationship between dopamine, desire, and reward makes it clear that setting boundaries around technology and personal relationships is essential. As we navigate modern life, recognizing when pleasure becomes a compulsion and how habits shape our relationships is vital. Awareness of these dynamics leads to healthier interactions with ourselves and others, crucial for emotional well-being and strong connections. Key areas to address compulsive behaviors. 1. Recognizing compulsive behaviors. Acknowledge the issue. If your engagement with pornography or similar activities feels obligatory, it's time to reflect. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? Does it genuinely make me happy? How do I feel afterward? Reflecting on these questions can help clarify your motivations and the effects of your habits. 2. Understanding dopamine's role. Dopamine basics. Known as the feel-good chemical, dopamine influences our pleasure. When involved in activities that release it, like viewing sexual content, people might find themselves needing more intense experiences as time goes on. Moderation is key. Just like too much sugar can lead to health issues, overindulgence in high dopamine activities can result in emotional and relational problems. 3 strategies for change. 30-day detox. Experts often suggest a month-long break from high-stimulation activities. This period allows the brain to reset, helping you discover joy in less intense activities. Behavior tracking. Keep a journal of when and why you engage in specific actions. Identifying triggers can help you understand your patterns. Set small goals. Instead of trying to quit everything at once, aim for small, achievable changes and celebrate your successes to motivate further progress. 4. Building healthy relationships. Open communication. Honest conversations are essential for building safe, meaningful relationships. Discuss boundaries and desires with potential partners. Engage in shared activities. Participate in fun activities with friends or partners to foster deeper connections. Enjoying hobbies together strengthens bonds. Seek support. Whether through friends, community groups, or workshops, reaching out for help can make a significant difference. 5. Prioritizing well-being. Nutrition. A balanced diet helps improve mood and energy. Eating nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains supports overall health. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, boosting happiness. Find enjoyable activities like dancing, swimming, or hiking to keep motivated. Cultivate meaningful connections. Focus on quality relationships based on mutual respect and understanding. Deeper connections often lead to greater fulfillment. In conclusion, managing compulsive behaviors can be challenging, especially in today's world filled with distractions and temptations. By recognizing these issues, understanding their causes, and applying simple strategies, it is possible to regain control and enjoy real connections with others. Identifying when pleasure becomes a compulsion is vital for emotional health and relationship growth. Everyone can develop awareness, foster healthier habits, and discover true satisfaction in life beyond screens and superficial experiences. Taking charge of choices leads to a happier, more fulfilling life. If you like the content and want to get more of it, subscribe to our channel, and if you have something interesting to say, don't hesitate and write a comment under the video. See you in good health.